Today's grammatical concept is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate either ownership or possession of something. And in Spanish, they have to agree in number and gender with the noun. So, similar to our definite and indefinite articles from Monday and our adjectives from Wednesday. Possessive adjectives, like in English, go in front of the noun when we use them. So, in order to say my, if your adjective is singular, you would say me, and if it was plural, you would say mis. Your can either be tu or tus, so your pencil or your pencils. Su or sus, we would use to with his, her, or the formal version of your. So we could say like su lapis or sus lapises, making it singular versus plural. The our version has four different options because we end in either an O or an A. Nuestro, masculine and singular. Nuestra, feminine and singular. Nuestros, masculine and plural. Nuestras, feminine and plural. Same thing goes with y'all's or that vosotros type form. We have vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, and then vuestras. And then we see su and sus being used again here, and this would be also to say their. So their class or their classes. Su clase, sus clases. So I have some examples here. I started off going back to our definite articles. So we have the class, la clase, and remember that we can find out our article just by either using word reference to figure out if our noun is masculine or feminine, or just looking at our vocab list, we should either have an L, la, los, or las in front of our noun. And then to make it plural, to say the classes, we would say las, making our article plural, and then adding an S to the end of clase to make it plural as well. If I wanted to say my class, I would say mi clase, taking that word for my, and it's only one class, so I'm using the singular version. If I wanted to say my classes, I would say mis clases. So I have that number agreement here. For our class, I'm using nuestra because I had already decided that that noun was feminine. So it needs to end in the A because this noun always ends in an A. It's feminine. So we have nuestra clase. And then for our classes, nuestras clases. All right, so complete the mini practice, and then you will be heading to page 17 of your notebook, and you will be completing the practice that is in there as well. Make sure to turn in your notebook when you're done so that you can get the credit for that. You will have to update the slides, so just remember to press update so that it appears just like my slide.